I'll be showing you how to use your Apple Watch built-in flashlight or torch. So what you need to do is simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal your watch's control center, and then keep scrolling up until you see the torch icon. So just tap on it and it's gonna light up the torch, which will get brighter as soon as it's facing away from your face. You can see it gets brighter. So you can use it to illuminate a path that you're walking on or any surface. Now also you can use, if you swipe, you can use it as a blinker if you want to be seen somewhere. So it can just be blinking like that. And you can also change it to a different color. To exit, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and that's going to turn off that flashlight. And that's basically how to use the built-in flashlight of your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching and good luck.